I speak as an old retired soldier who has seen power rise and fall, who has witnessed the arrogancy of men who thought they could cheat history. Let me remind you, and especially remind Mnangagwa in particular, of what becomes of dictators who loot their nations dry while their people starve. Salabina Mashko Tukanima General, don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. I'm Daniel Chiti. Look at Field Marshal HAASI, Dr. Idi Amin Dala, VC, DSO, MC, Lord of the beasts of the earth and fishes of the sea, conqueror of the British Empire in Africa in general and Uganda in particular, president for life. He declared himself all these titles, bathed in blood, in soft glory, expelled Asians, murdered thousands, and emptied Uganda's treasury. He thought he was untouchable. Where did he end? In exile in Saudi Arabia, a broken, obvious shadow of himself, dying in isolation and poverty in 2003. All his grand titles turned into dust. Then there was Jean Bedel Bogas, Emperor of Central Africa. He crowned himself in a lavish ceremony costing millions, while his people ate leaves. He looted the state treasury, bought castles and villas in Paris and elsewhere with the diamonds and gold stolen from him from his own country. When the French finally removed him, he fled into exile. He returned years later, a pauper, died forgotten and penniless in 1996. His palaces and stolen wealth could not save him. Now look at us today. The same script is being followed. Castles and properties being bought in Dubai, Belarus and elsewhere, while our mothers and fathers queue for millennium, while our youth cross borders like refugees in their own region, while our country collapses and hospitals have no medicine. The looting today is said to be sophisticated through companies, proxies and Uganda networks, but it is the same old greed. History is screaming a warning, yet their ears are deaf, shameless. These men, Bokas, Mobutu, all died poor in exile, stripped of dignity, remembered only as warnings. They learned nothing from those before them. And it seems the current Mnangagwa administration has learned nothing from them either. The people of Zimbabwe are watching. History does not forget. The day of reckoning always comes. Doma developments and great opana panema general. Achipa mornings when it's Canada. Now comment section medals of Euro in more deep on the page. So subscribe or like it on the video.